What happens when you stop eating sugar for 30 days? Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you eliminated sugar from your diet for an entire month? The effects can be profound, positively impacting your health in various ways. 1. Weight loss and reduced body fat. Cutting out sugar can lead to weight loss and a decrease in body fat. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that reducing added sugar intake led to significant weight loss and improved body composition. 2. Improved blood sugar control. Eliminating sugar can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Research from the Journal of the American Heart Association suggests that reducing sugar intake can lower blood glucose and insulin levels, reducing the risk of diabetes. 3. Enhanced energy levels. Without sugar-induced energy crashes, you may experience more sustained energy throughout the day. A study in appetite revealed that a low-sugar diet was associated with better mood and overall energy levels. 4. Better skin health. Sugar consumption can contribute to skin issues like acne and premature aging. A study published in Dermatology and Therapy linked lower sugar intake to improvements in skin appearance and texture. Removing sugar from your diet can lead to clearer skin, reduced inflammation, and a healthier complexion. 5. Reduced risk of heart disease. High sugar intake is associated with an increased risk of heart disease. According to research in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, limiting sugar can improve heart health markers such as blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 6. Enhanced mental clarity. Sugar impacts cognitive function and may contribute to brain fog. A study in physiology and behavior found that reducing sugar intake improved cognitive performance and focus. 7. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. High sugar intake is associated with an increased risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, fatty liver disease, and certain cancers. By cutting out sugar, you can lower your risk of developing these serious health conditions. 8. Reduced risk of fatty liver disease. Excessive sugar intake is a major risk factor for non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. By reducing sugar consumption, you can protect liver health and reduce the risk of developing liver-related conditions. 9. Balanced mood. Sugar can negatively impact mood and contribute to mood swings and irritability. Cutting out sugar can help stabilize mood and promote emotional well-being. 10. Better dental health. Sugar is a primary contributor to tooth decay and cavities. By cutting back on sugar, you can improve dental health and reduce the risk of oral diseases. By eliminating sugar for 30 days, you can experience a range of health benefits, from weight loss and improved blood sugar control to clearer skin and enhanced mental clarity. For more health tips, remedies, and in-depth discussions on wellness, subscribe to Remedy Seeker. Like, share, and comment to join our community, and check out our other videos on optimizing health and well-being.